Congratulations on making it to the second topic of this intensive. We know downloading different bits of software can sometimes be a bit tedious and fiddly, so well done. Now, it's important that you are able to understand Python code before you begin to tackle the more complex task of text analysis. So, in each of the following sprints, there is a corresponding Jupyter notebook, like this one, designed to explain key concepts of Python which you can practice and memorize. The aim of this is to teach you the basics. You will begin to learn what things do and how to make different bits of code run successfully. If you stick with it, then by the end, you will have the necessary knowledge to start building your own toolkit for text analysis. So, when you are dealing with Jupyter notebooks, there are two things you absolutely, definitely need to know. First, these notebooks are comprised of cells, which are bits of code that have been separated into different blocks. To work through our lessons, you will need to run the cells that have examples of code or challenges in them, as this will produce the result. To do this, you need to select the cell you want to run by clicking on it, and then click the button at the top of your screen that says Run. And there you have the result. The second thing you absolutely need to know is that these cells work sequentially. If you see the cells we have down here, you will notice that the equation here is split over two cells. If you only try and run the last cell, you will get an error message, like this one. So, just click the cell before it, click Run, and then run the next one, and you'll get your output. So if you ever run into an error like this in Jupyter Notebooks, the first step is always to make sure that you have clicked Run on all of the previous cells that contribute to this output. Now, you know the basics of using the software now. You're ready to start your lessons. Good luck.